In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on temporary chat in ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive into what temporary chat is all about and how you can easily start using it. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly what temporary chat does, why it can be beneficial for you, and where to find the simple switch needed to activate it. So what is temporary chat? It's essentially a feature that allows you to have a private, short-lived conversation with ChatGPT that won't be saved to your chat history. This feature is available on both the web and the app, making it super convenient no matter where you access ChatGPT. When you use temporary chat, your conversation remains completely private. It won't show up in your history, it won't be used for model training, and it won't be remembered. Imagine it as a clean workspace that resets itself once you're done. This is ideal for quick research sessions, brainstorming sensitive topics, or even just having a casual chat that you don't want cluttering up your list of past conversations. So how do you turn on this nifty feature? It's actually quite simple. Just head to the top right corner of your screen and look for the toggle that allows you to activate temporary chat. Once you flip that switch on, you're all set. Now that it's activated, you can start typing just like you ordinarily would. There's no need to alter the way you ask questions or provide instructions. Everything operates in the same way you're accustomed to. The only difference? This chat won't leave a trace in your saved conversations, granting you peace of mind while you explore ideas or seek answers. A helpful mindset to adopt is to think of temporary chat like a whiteboard that gets wiped clean when you leave the room. However, remember, because the chat won't be saved, it's crucial to copy any important responses, code snippets, or notes you may want to keep before you close the session. If you find something particularly valuable, take a moment to paste it into your own notes or a document so you don't lose it. This feature is particularly beneficial when you're refining ideas, drafting text you're planning to move elsewhere, or testing various prompts that you don't need to keep permanently. Moreover, temporary chat is a fantastic way to keep your main chat history uncluttered. Perhaps you're in the middle of experimenting with different approaches, making comparisons, or running some quick calculations. Using a temporary chat session allows you to experiment freely, knowing you won't have a bunch of one-off discussions piling up in your conversation list. When you're finished with your temporary chat, you can either continue using ChatGPT as normal, or simply toggle off temporary chat in the same top right corner the next time you want your conversations to be saved to your history. The control is always in your hands. You get to decide when a session should be temporary and when it can be saved. To recap, temporary chat provides you with a focused, private area for discussions that aren't saved, aren't utilized for training, and aren't registered in memory. Remember, just toggle it on at the top right when you want that clean slate, do your work, and be sure to copy anything worthwhile before you close out. It's a small switch that can significantly streamline your workflow and clarify your privacy preferences whenever you need it. I hope this video has helped you understand temporary chat within ChatGPT and how to utilize it effectively. Now you have the tools to engage in private conversations without leaving a trace. Thank you for tuning in.